Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unique Fashion Every Time. This video about gym clothes for plus size with seamless leggings and Bermud shorts. This look very awesome with black jeans, white shirt, and this look very awesome. Mm, These gym shorts are of clothing typical worn by people with exercising. They are typically made out of fabrics that allow for maximum comfort and ease with an with as nylon brands as such as Nike uh, all make gym shorts. Cotton gym shorts are made popular by a creating brand called gym shorts or sweet plants are required for many junior high and high school physical education courses, while gym shorts are traditionally worn by men from the late 1970s and onward, women being wearing them for better comfort at the gym as a modern fashion trend. Up until around 1993, men's gym shorts were very short knee length. Shorts are rarely seen outside. The first time